In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Substack logo. This process is fairly straightforward and can be done in just a few steps. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to your Substack dashboard. This is where you manage everything related to your publication, from settings and design to subscriber management. Once you're there, you'll see a range of options and features ready for you to explore. Now, look toward the top of your screen and click on Settings. This section is your go-to place for adjusting everything related to your publication's details and appearance. It's the nerve center of your Substack where you can tweak various options to tailor your site exactly how you want it. Next, you'll need to find the website option on the left panel. Clicking on website will take you to a dedicated section that focuses on the appearance and design elements of your publication site. This is where the magic happens in transforming how your readers perceive your online presence. Within the website section, you'll find a specific area labeled Publication Logo. This is the stage for customizing the visual representation of your Substack publication. Look for the Add Image button within this section. Clicking on it will present options for adding your personal touch to your publication's branding. When you click Add Image, you will be prompted to either upload an image or generate one. This gives you the flexibility to either use an existing logo you've already created, or try out Substack's image generation tool if you're looking to create something new on the fly. Both options are designed to cater to your needs depending on what works best for you at this point. If you've settled on the Upload Image option, you'll now select the image file from your computer that you want to use as your new logo. Make sure this image accurately represents your brand and fits well within the specifications that Substack provides for optimal display. This will ensure that your logo looks great across all devices and screen sizes. Finally, once your image is uploaded and everything looks good, you've officially changed your Substack logo. It's a simple update, but a new logo can bring a fresh identity to your Substack, enhancing not only its aesthetic appeal, but also aligning it more closely with your overall branding vision. And there you have it, you've successfully updated your Substack logo in just a few steps. By following this procedure, you're making sure your publication stands out and leaves a memorable impression on your readers. I hope this guide was helpful and that you're all set with your brand new logo today. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks.